So I just wanted to do a quick video of a little upgrade that I have installed here on my JCM600. These things are kind of notorious for overheating, and I'll be honest, this one does get a little hot. So I built a little heat shield, and I'm going to take it off and show you how it works. Now this cage has been chopped off, and I did that on purpose. When I did this modification to the cage, I just went ahead and removed the whole right side of it. It used to extend all the way over to here. You can see the old mounting screw for where the cage used to be. But this way I can get into the preamp tubes more easily. I figured it wasn't really necessary to keep that there anymore. So, also while I'm here, this is a pretty old suggestion for these amps, and it seems to work. I tend to agree with it. It does bring out a little bit more gain on the overdrive channel to bridge the parallel effects loop. And then on the front of the amp, you have the potentiometer for the effects loop output, and turn it all the way up, and it does sound a little bit nastier, and I think it improves the low end a little bit. And these amps are also known for not having the best low end. I should have probably already had this out for the sake of keeping the video short and sweet. So I just made like an aluminum heatsink that mounts right onto this piece of aluminum that acts as a tube heat shield. Now the tubes on this are actually sticking out a little bit more than they should, and that's done on purpose. I put tube socket extension, like protectors, in the actual tube socket themselves, so they're like an inch further out. And my thinking is that I could get it a little bit further away from the amp chassis, away from it, in addition to having that aluminum shield that I've seen other people mount on there, but a little bit differently. I tried to make this thing into like a little unibody construction, and I thought it was kind of cool. I thought I'd show somebody, maybe somebody get inspired to do something similar. I tried to get creative and actually put some heat sinks in it, but they probably don't do jack. But yeah, I'm going to put some new EL34s in. Had to take the cage off anyway, so I just thought that I'd make this quick video and show some people out there that are interested in these amps and are concerned about them overheating. It definitely does a good job. The aluminum gets good and hot, and the chassis stays relatively pretty cool to the touch, so I think I'm protecting that circuit inside of the chassis. Anyhow, have a good one.